Hi there, my name's April Sawtell and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is just showing you another fabric haul. Hi there, my name's April Sawtell and welcome to my channel. Today what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to show you a quick little video of what I got yesterday. So yesterday my daughter sent me a text with a picture and it was a yard sale, had a ton of fabric. The title of this was on Marketplace. The title was something such as the mother was had to downsize, destash. Oh, I got excited, but you know, I wasn't gonna get out there at that time. The yard sale was only till like 2 o'clock. Going that way anyway, later in the day, well, it worked out. Why I needed to go there had to go a little bit quicker, so I ended up getting there like 1 minute before this yard sale was supposed to close. I get there, I'm excited. I forgot my money. I never carry cash. I'm like, okay, I'll get out. I'll go see if there's anything I like. If there is, I'll see what I can do with these people. If I can come back in just a minute, I'll go to a bank and take out some money or something. Do something. I'll figure out a way. I get out, and the lady, I'm gabbing with one lady. It was a woman. She had been sewing forever, and all of her adult children. So the mom in the picture was getting rid of so much stuff. Well, it was time for them to get ready to close, and I didn't really feel like I should take any time looking around, so I went right to the woman that had the fabric. I said, I'm looking for cotton, because she just had so much stuff. So then she points me right to the direction of the cotton. Huge, I mean, those super-sized giant totes, that's how full it was. And I'm going through it, and I see that she wants like $1 a yard. The lady had everything marked out, like 2.5 yards, 4 yards. I just can't imagine taking the time to mark every single thing like that. And I'm going through it. Some stuff was like 11 yards, 5 yards. So anyways, she says, I'll sell it to you for $1 a yard. Well, I'm very impatient. I just am. I just can't help it. So I'm too impatient to like sit there and go 4 yards, 6 yards, 9 yards. You know what I mean. So finally I'm looking. She leaves me alone for a little bit. She has another pile that I'm really interested in. It's little scrap bags. She made up all kinds of scrap bags. They were so great. But I'm like, all right. The daughter came over to me and I go, well, I am interested in this and this. And I go, would you guys be interested in giving me like this box and this box? And she goes, well, if you make an offer. And I go, okay, well, I'll give you $30. Well, I knew that wasn't going to go that good, because I'm not a person that does a lot of haggling. I just don't like to ask people for less. They put a price on there. That's what they want. I don't know. I'm just like that. So, but I didn't really need any stuff. So I was just like, I'm here for a good deal. I'm 45 minutes away. I am here for other reasons though. I had to be in that exact same town sometime during that day. So it just worked out perfect. When I set my GPS, the address was like 2 miles from where I was really going. So it was just how ironic, right? It's just, I swear it's like what you think about, you bring about. So that's just my thinking in life. And I guess I have fabric on my mind all the time. So it just keeps flowing into me like all the time. So anyway, I just decided that that's what I was going to do. I just didn't need it bad enough. And I was just going to try to make a deal. So the mom comes over and the daughter says, Mom, she is interested in this. Can we set one price? And the mom says, sure. She goes, she goes, oh, this is going to be so hard though. It's by the yard. I'm thinking, oh no, is she going to like go through the box and like tell me 5 yards, 4 yards, 3 yards equals so many yards? So I said, I'll give you, how about $30? And their mom's like, 100. And I'm like, yikes. I go, $40? Okay, how about $50? And then her and the mom are talking to me. And then I felt so bad because I didn't want that lady to feel like I was taking advantage of her, but I know what it's like to have a yard sale. When you're ready to be done with the stuff, you're ready to be done with it. It doesn't matter. You're going to drop it off somewhere and you are ready for that to be out of your home. So the daughter goes, Mom, we're just going to have to haul this stuff off anyway. Just, it's a, you know what I mean? Like, it's a good deal. So the mom's like, okay, $50, $50, it's a deal. So I said, okay. So now I have a little problem. I didn't bring any money with me. I was too excited to get out the door. And I go, but look, the town's not too far away. How about could you guys, it looks like you're going to be packing up. Could I just run down to the town, get my money, and I'll come right back? And they said, sure. That was absolutely no problem. They were going to be there a long time to pack up anyway. And town was like 2 miles away. I go to the ATM, blah, blah, come back, give them the money, and honestly, I was so happy. They had it all in bags. I had 3 big garbage bags full of stuff. So anyway, I wanted to look around that yard sale so bad. Even now, I feel like, oh, I wish I would have got to look around and see what else. I'm sure there was like so much stuff I would have wanted. However, I got there at the, 1 minute before they were supposed to close. So what I got, I will tell you, I spent $50 and you are just not going to believe this. I can't believe this. I don't know where I'm going to put this. Wait till you see this. All right, I'm going to show you. So I got these 4 piles and I've got a whole big white garbage bag of scraps. So I'm just going to go through this very quickly. This is just unbelievable. And again, this fabric, the last batch I got wasn't musty. It didn't smell like any attic or anything. This doesn't either. This had to have come right out of her sewing room again. So my goodness, I just can't believe this. So these were her cottons. And I'm sure there were cottons in other bins. She had so many different bins over there. I wish I would have had a little more time. I wish I would have got there earlier. But anyways, I don't have, where am I going to put it? You know what I think I'll do? I think I'll speed up the motion of me going through this just to show you. This is what I mean. She wrote on here, 100% cotton, 5 yards. She wrote on every single one of her pieces here. Some of these are such nice quality fabrics too. I just can't believe this. $7 yards. I live in Maine and there's a lot of camps and we have a lot of wildlife, so it's really fun to have all this wildlife print. 7 yards. And you can feel it. It feels so nice. It feels like such good quality fabric. And she labeled every one. Oh, look at this. I love this one so much. My favorite stripes and red. Oh, so soft. 5 yards, 11.5 yards. Sharks. There's quite a few panels here. I'm going to put the panels on the side because I didn't really open them up to look at them. Look at this one. I love this. So pretty. This one is a stamp one. 4 yards of a stamp one. That'll make such a great back. This one's so great. This was 1.5 yards. She wanted $2.50 for that one piece. I love that. It's all shoes. 3.5 yards. Love that so much. Sports. That one feels so soft. More sharks. That one was 4 yards. More wildlife. More wildlife. These are just so nice to have for camp quilts. Pretty. It's lilacs, all different colored lilacs. It's 1 yard, but it's awful pretty. There's 2 of these. Four yards of this. Then there's all of these bags. I'm just gonna go through and show you how many I got. So these are just scrap bags. Most of them are very neatly folded. She had these on there for $3 a piece. Some were $2 and some were $3. Just look what these little bags contain. There's just so many pieces. I mean, this one she has on there for $5 for this scrap bag. And it is really pretty fabric. That's a big bag. There's a lot of fabric in here. Look at all these pieces. Look at that. You can't see it from the bag, but let me just open this and show you. It appears that some of these, she's even got like fat quarters that she probably cut off her own yardage. Look at all this fabric. There's over 225 yards just in the stuff that she has marked. That wasn't counting all, look at this, all. Look at all this fabric. Over 225 yards just in the stuff that she had marked. I just can't believe this. This is going to be so much fun. I'm going to have so much fun putting this away. One thing I'm going to say is this batch of fabric is going right from her sewing room to my sewing room. That wasn't anything to do with these little scrap bags. I got such an amazing deal. So I know what I'm going to be doing all winter. I thought I was going to be sewing the entire winter. That's what I look forward to doing. And now it looks like I'm just going to need to find places to put my fabric. I'm so happy. I'm so happy that everybody's watching out for me on finding the fabric deals. This was really too good to be true. This was an amazing deal. I don't feel like I need to do anything to this fabric other than fold it the way I want to fold it, color coordinate it, and put it away. It is beautiful. I just want to thank Lily so much. Thanks, Lily. Thanks for watching out for Mom. I hope you enjoyed watching this little video. It's just a lot of fun. There's so much fabric to be had. If you watch Marketplace, Facebook, yard sales, thrift shops, if you buy old clothes, cut them down. You can be a thrifty quilter as well. Somebody's always destashing. Maybe you have some friends that can watch out too on Marketplace in case you don't see it. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and remember to keep it simple. Have a nice day. Bye.